ice inside of the water separator inside of the skid steer. Dump it out. That's literally ice.
Washers.
Right now we got the Predator hooked up to little tube, blowing heat, trying to heat up the fuel lines. Look at that. Look at all that gunk that just came out of the water separator. Not good. Now we can rinse a little bit of diesel inside of there to clean it. Which is right here. And right there. Huh?
You got diesel in there?
Yeah.
Put on this.
I kind of want to empty this out too. I want to see how this looks. Look at that. Horrible. See that? Disgusting. I want you to see in there, but it's horrible. I want to put some diesel inside of here and clean it.
Wash those two rings.
Grab the diesel. We had a big problem with. My hands are cold. You can see up there. Might be our issue. Water, too much water inside the separator. Water on the filter. I don't know where the filter just went. Oh, put it in the bucket. But right now we got it heating up. Nice and warm. I actually want to sit this over here for a minute. Move the cord out the way. Got the heater block on. What I'm trying to do is stop the let's pour some in there. You have to pour right there. I need some gloves. Ooh, it got cold out there. Had a fuel problem. If the temperature dropped too much, freezing up on us, man. Not even too much. Just enough. A little more. Yes, it'll be good. All that dirt, gunk. Woo.